his way, I'm going mine. It's gonna be fun. My trip is 245 kilometers. Makepeace has 345.
You running from a bear in the woods.
What the? Rattlesnakes live here.
You're gonna have scenery with RVs with a toddler in it.
Apparently gave me racing stripes and helmet.
So that sandbagging son of a bitch. Dude, my key. Check your bags. Holy fuck.
I try to do it as pretty as I can, but
There you go, horse and sauce.
Arby's is really saving me on that one.
Make it again.
Because I just want to be...
Oh, I really could use a beer.
Your beer's cold, Jeff.